6 pics to say goodbye to January Instagram alias template. Hello guys and welcome to our channel. Welcome to World of Apps. In this video I will show you how you can do this viral trend right here and also where you can find it, so keep on watching. So first of all, you'll have to go to your Instagram app, search for Ali and John YTT, and once you get here you will have to go to January 2024 at highlights, because if you go there then you will definitely find your story, but if you go to stories then you have to know that the story will expire in 24 hours, so you may not find it there, so it's best to go here at highlights. Now tap until you find your desired sticker. There we have it. Now click on the add yours button, and right now you will have to go to your uploads and choose your first photo for this sticker. So for that you will have to click on the left button from the bottom corner, which is right here, and choose your first photo. I will go with this one. Now you can place your photo where you want by using your two fingers like you would zoom in or zoom out. And now to add another photo, you will have to go to stickers from the top of the screen, scroll down and click on this plus icon, and it will get you once again to your gallery, and you can choose your second photo for this template. But I will leave it just like this right now. And once you're happy with your story, you just have to share it with your friends by clicking on this button right here. So guys, that's it. I hope this video was helpful for you. If it was, you can like it, you can subscribe to our channel, and you can also comment in the comment section down below if you have any questions. Thank you so much for watching guys. Have a great day. Bye bye.